Today's review is about the best 4K camcorder on the market. We've researched each product based on customer reviews, prices, and product features. If you want to know which product will be the best for you, stay tuned. Please don't forget to like and share this video. You can also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications when we post a new video in the future. At number 1, ZOHULU Wi-Fi Ultra HD Vlog Camera. This video camera serves as a 4K camcorder and also an excellent YouTube camera for vlogging. It comes with top-notch microphone, batteries, wide lens, etc. that makes your recording fun and easy. It's suitable for capturing wide angles and gives you the perfect shot regardless. This camcorder allows you the luxury to pause on your recording when the need arises and pick up from where you stopped whenever you're ready. It has Wi-Fi connectivity that allows you to experience its functions in different and fun-filled ways. You no longer have to worry about your camera's battery running out, as this camcorder comes with 2 batteries. At number 2, Panasonic HDR-AX700 4K Camcorder. The camcorder comes with a Dicomar lens that allows you to record 4K videos for the cinematic experience you desire. It has a technology for image stabilization that helps to keep your images stable. It also comes with a technology that helps contrast and equalizes your gradation. With its movie mode and HDR, you're provided with a range response that's wider. This camcorder offers you clear and unique shots even in low light conditions. It gives your images and recordings the natural feel you desire. At number 3, Sony FDR-AX700 Camcorder. For all who admire the astonishing beauty of 4K one camera range and wish to produce the same, this camcorder right here is the perfect fit for you. This small-sized gadget is definitely not hindered by its size. With this camera comes your breakthrough into recording videos and taking pictures that are truly unforgettable. It has an image sensor that enhances both speed and efficiency and grants you super speed. You can now take cinematic pictures and videos with remarkable quality. Also, it lets you record fast-moving objects without losing focus.